Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, well, I'm just going to let somebody tell me. Here, I got yours right here. Is it, is this your current one? I don't even see anything. This is upcoming. Oh, I thought you started your stream. I started the stream. All right, now I got it pulled up. Let's see. There you are. All right, I hear myself. What up, Timbo? How's it going? We are here with Husk Trader. I'm long here from 159. Big money, a single micro. Dude, it's right there at 157. It's 2 points. It's 2 points below my entry. What are you talking about? So, 2 points below the entry. Let's see here. I don't know that we get another pullback here. I really think it probably just goes from here. Probably just goes. We'll see. Well, let me turn these ads off. I don't want the ads on during this stream. How you do today, Timbo? You make some cash? You make some money? I did too. I was able to lock in a daily payout with Take Profit. Again, 10 days in a row, guys. $395 today. $395, and then we ended up about $135 on our other 14 or 15 accounts there. So testing the MGC at the moment. What's MGC looking like? Let's see here. Little gold. Yeah, gold has a little. After this little consolidation kind of broke out, huh? Gold broke out right there at 33.12, all the way up to 25. Nice. To Mimi in the house. Yeah, Pine Tree, he's on my lap. Here, he's on my lap right here. I'm whispering in his ear. I said, press the button now. Big guy. And something like that anyway. Something like that, I guess. Yeah, 8 o'clock. I think the Japan opens at 8, right? Yeah, Pine Tree, I got you pulled up over here on the TV behind me. Kind of the same deal. I can't hear you. Well, I guess you can't hear me, so I don't know why I'm talking to you. Yeah, Mancini basically says that, you know, buy all dips. That's Tamimi. Yeah. Can you hear Husk? You should be able to hear him. Hello, let me see. Say something, Husk. Okay, yeah, I can't hear you. It's not you. It's on my end. I just got to change one thing. Hold on. Just got to change one thing.
My stream to see if I can hear.
Nah, it's not yours. It's mine. I had the audio output still turned off. Huh.
Oh.
There we go. What's up, Mo?
Oh.
There we go. What's up, Mo?
Everybody's here. Oh. Let me check it anyway.
Now you guys should be able to hear him, right?
Can you hear me now, Timmy?
Tamimi?
Tamimi.
Oh. Nobody could hear Husk.
That's okay.
Yeah, he is.
Okay.
He is in a different room, so.
Yeah.
Thought about having him
Methodical
just come in
man.
here, but you know.
Methodical man said I couldn't sit in his lap this time. He said maybe tomorrow night.
Yeah, maybe next time.
That's possible too. That's possible.
I'm just looking for the I'm looking for the market to move up. I muted him deliberately. Yeah, I may have. It's like, get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Oh, Methodical man's flexing the baseball record in the chat.
Heck yeah, brother. You gotta get the baseball record in there.
Once you start putting that in there, was that in there all day? I guess I didn't even notice that.
That's been in there for weeks, man. Where you been?
Wow. I don't know. Sometimes I don't pay much attention to the chat.
There you go, guys. I pinned Husk's channel up at the top of the chat there if you guys want to go subscribe. Or pull up his live stream too. I forgot to put on eyeshadow. Oh, I did. What strategy were you trading, Poly Futures? Right now, it's click the button strategy during this time of night. If we think we're bullish, we're just going long. If we think we're bearish, we think we're going down, we just go short. But typically, I use inversion strategies. So, like, I look for like a fair value gap after a sweep of a key level.
What's up, Pine Tree? How have you been? Dude, I was watching your stream in there while I go on Methodical Man's TV, and it's like, dude, that was a pretty good 5-minute that you took right there in the beginning.
The 5-minute Harami?
Yep. The 5-minute Harami.
Yeah, those are the baseball results of the team I'm coaching, Tamimi. What up, Francis? We're currently 8-0. We got a game tomorrow. Husk is going to go to the game. He's going to try to break out his birth certificate to get on the field. I told him he didn't want to get on the field to be struck out by a 14-year-old, does he? But maybe he does.
They would have to watch bench warmers to kind of have, I don't know if any of you guys ever seen bench warmers.
So he's going to show up with the $10 bill and the IM-14 birth certificate. You don't understand baseball. I was watching Bread Gang. Husk, have you ever seen Bread Gang?
You said Bread Game?
Bread Gang. It's a YouTuber.
Oh, no.
They do this 20 versus 1,000 challenge, so one person lives off $20 for a day in a foreign country.
Oh, I watched that over here one night. Remember last time I was down?
Yeah, so he doesn't know the rules to baseball at all. And he saw the guy hit the ball to center field, and it got caught by the center fielder, and he's like, what's he doing? Why is he going back to the dugout? He hit the ball hard. He didn't understand that if the ball got caught, that they're out. What up, Peter? Guys, we're only 35 subs away from 7,000. If we can get there tonight, we will do a giveaway
Oh, giveaway.
Yeah.
Am I still included?
Yeah, you're included.
Great. Nice.
Not yeah, I was gonna say something, but we'll keep our comments to ourselves. We'll keep the comments to ourselves. You know, don't want to be too crazy with it. Not too crazy. Sam Long here again. I'm expecting the market just to go up tonight, kind of similar to what I kind of thought last night. Top of the hour, 34 seconds here.
I didn't even check. Did we make it to the lows today?
The low of what? The daily low?
Yeah.
Nope. You talking
I
about
don't think we did.
the overnight low, the gap? No, we didn't feel the gap.
Well, I guess that would be just yesterday's low.
Yeah, we did not feel the gap today. The gap was all the way down at 952.
Mm.
That was the gap fill. And the overnight low, 910, I believe. Yeah. Hey, let's go. Kobe, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. That's right. Kobe is the man. Look at that.
Ooh,
look at that little
nice.
wick. So we still got it there. France has only one payout this year, trading very bad. Yeah, it sucks. You just got to pull it together. Does it mean you understand cricket? No. It's a Mimi. I do not understand cricket. I don't understand cricket at all. Why would you expect bullish with the market closing weak? Mo, for that reason specifically. Because we pulled back so much, I'm just expecting the market to kind of get a little pump going.
Kind of rerun some wicks here.
Yeah, I think that the push back up kind of makes sense. Now, here's the thing. I mean, could we run that? Could we run that new day opening gap? Yeah. Can we push lower? Yeah, for sure. But when you zoom out here, does this look that weak? I mean, does that look that weak to you? Not really. Looks more like we're in an uptrend. Now, if we break this 15-minute trend line here, I'll leave this on. If 15-minute trend line closes below here, then yeah, I would expect us to see some downside at that point. I would for sure expect us to see some downside. We actually would have a clean like short setup if that happened. Let's check the 5-minute as well. Yeah, I mean, we actually got a couple of clean bridges here, Husk. What do you think?
Is that to the downside? Yeah.
Yeah.
What time frame is that? Is that 15-minute or 5-minute?
This is 5-minute right here.
Mm.
The 5-minute's a little more nasty, but the 15 doesn't look bad if it broke. So we'll just see if the 15-minute holds. Awesome. If it doesn't, that's okay too.
The only thing that sucks is Snellville, the market. You could be sitting here for 3 hours waiting.
Yeah. Well, you never know.
Woo.
Dun, 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 dun. What up, Mick? Gold is doing exactly that. Closed week. Pumping cents. You the man using the code. Good morning. All right. Hello, music. How you doing?
See if we get down here below the 50.
Yeah, we are pulling back here. And anyways, don't believe anything I say. Because I'm an idiot. You know?
Maybe that was just a gap fill.
To me, we'll probably be here till 8 at least, maybe a little longer. I know it's up to Husk. Maybe a little longer. And I am on micros here, so guys, if I lose, you know what I mean? It is what it is. What up, live prop? Mo, I sound like your wife? Oh, she got a deep voice. Mo's wife has a deep voice. Live market, the market's good. Yeah, we know we're idiots. It's all right. We get to do this for a living. I mean, what more can you ask? What more can you ask for? Oh, ES is peaking back below that 84 level here. What am I on over here? Oh, I'm on the 5-minute. Am I on the 5-minute?
I don't know. I'm still watching the 1-minute.
Let me mark the 5 minute out too. This is one off stream I'm looking at. I mean, in order to break structure on the 5 minute, we have to basically test that 100 level. You know what? There is a lot of consolidation there, but man, if we do break structure, we do have room down to 20,000. I mean, we have about 100 points down. If
I was waiting to see if we're going to break that fair value gap here.
Oh, that 1 minute? Yeah.
Yeah, didn't know if we would clear that out.
What up, David? Anyone else think UK tariff pressure seemed like a little contrived and rushed? I have no idea, Mo. To be honest, I didn't listen to the details. I just traded the market, so I really don't know. I really don't know. I don't usually get too involved in the news or the politics of it. I just kind of trade what I see.
Trade the action.
Yeah.
Trade the action.
Trade what we see. Let me make us a little bigger here.
Yeah.
We're all squished down in the corner. I mean, I could do it this way right here. Let's see. That's pretty good right there. What do you guys think? That's pretty good. Leave it like
We're
that.
Almost 50-50. Almost 50-50.
I had you off the screen. Oh, keep it small. All right. We're too ugly to make it that large. Hold on.
Aw.
That's rude. Too ugly to make it large. There we go. Why is the last 300 of a compound always hard? Yeah, it is fun. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. All right, we recovered there. I think it's a good spot to go ahead and add here. So I'm going to add a second contract and maybe even a third here. There we go. So, again, I'm an idiot. Don't do this.
I'll take one off at the wick if we can. That first swing at 67.
Husk got long, too, over there, quiet. He didn't even say.
Well, I thought we would. Well, you were already long, though.
No. I didn't even see you get.
Well, I thought we would take out this wick here at 67 since we were kind of moving up.
Yeah. We'll see.
Oh, we might got rejected.
Nah, it's all right. Give it a moment. Give it a moment. Or a few.
Shoot, that might have been a little bear flag. Actually, now that you kind of look at it.
This is just a Sabo box. We need Sabo to jump in with 1 micro long to send us to the moon. Let me send him a DM right now. It's only 1 a.m. where he's at, so need Tom Sabo to get long here, 1 micro. Oh, is Pine Tree long too?
I don't know.
Pine Tree's long too. He's long from basically the same spot, looks like, I think. 158. So yeah, he has like a little better entry than me. Yeah, it's based on IFEG, Mick, but I don't really trade that during this time of day. During this time of day, it's just based on where I think the market's going to go. So that's all it's really based on this time of day. I just think, okay, we're bullish, let's go this direction, that sort of thing. I just pick a direction and go with it. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Guys, we're only 34 subscribers away from 7,000. We'll do a giveaway tonight, right now, if we can. If we can get there.
7,000 people.
Where's Husk at? 700. and 13. Let's get Husk some subscribers over there too. His channel is pinned to the top of the chat. Who else is giving you guys 4-point moves in the middle of Asia? Who else is doing it like that?
4-point bangers.
4-point bangers. It's not my fault you guys aren't trading big enough size. You're not full port with 10 contracts. That's not my fault. All minis.
Hey, we're 3 deep. We're 3 deep on this side.
Minis?
Sure. If that's what we tell her to make her happy.
Oh. Francis 48-point range. Yeah. It's pretty tight range. Hey, let's go. The higher order 504. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand.
Good times 504.
You demand. Yeah, you just have to be patient during this time of day. We are on an eval here, so nothing crazy.
Yeah, no funded accounts, guys. No funded accounts.
If it starts moving, I might jump onto some fundings. Do you make money with this? I did subscribe through MM. You're very transparent. What do you make with one sub with MM, like $10? Are you talking about buying an account, Mick? If you buy an account, it's like $2 maybe. But if you're talking about just subscribing on YouTube, it's not really anything.
Yeah.
It's based on views, and I make maybe like $300 a month from YouTube.
Yeah, there's definitely no money in YouTube unless you got like probably a couple hundred subscribers.
How long did it take me to get my first viewer? Well, it took me no time at all because you're looking at them. Husk right in front of me.
Yep.
Every single day would tune into my channel. I streamed for about 3 or 4 months with 10 to 12 people watching. Then it moved up to maybe 20. Another 3 or 4 months, it moved up to 30 or 40. I got to 1,000 subs in about 7 months, I think. 6 months, 7 months, something like that. With Bulenox, it's like around $1.50, $2. It's not much.
I feel like I've been in YouTube jail. They got me locked down at 700.
Yeah, man, you're locked down. TP1 smash. Let's go.
Ooh, look at that 5-point banger, guys.
Sir, that was 25 ticks. That's 6 points. So, did you get taken out up there? You still got a runner going?
I was in for 3 contracts.
Boom, I'm out of my 2.
We got a runner.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
I don't think she'll make it after she runs this swing here. This was the one swing that I was thinking about here at 97 or 67, 68. And it already surpassed that swing.
Listen, I'm holding for glory, okay? I'm holding for glory up there at the 180s. 22-point banger. I see no reason why it will not move higher. You do have the previous day's initial balance sitting up there 174. If we can get through that, we'll be all right.
We DCA'd into this and got our entry back down to 59.
Nice. Mick, I've been trading, what has it been, about 3 years, I think? I've been trading about 3 years, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I don't know exactly. And I think Husk has been trading, what, like 2.5, something like that?
No, remember when I first started, I really wasn't doing it full time because I was still,
Well, I'm just talking about trading, not streaming.
Well, yeah, that too.
I don't know. You've been trading probably, well, at least a year and a half, right? Year and a half?
Yeah, it's a year and a half consistently.
Yeah, I think I'm at like probably 2.5 or 3 years. I don't remember the exact date.
You started trading futures like September or August that year before I started, kind of.
Yeah, and I started streaming in May, April. So I think I just passed 2 years of streaming. And so, yeah, I think I had been trading like maybe 6 months before that. So I started streaming April or May 2 years ago, I think. Andy blew 3 paids today. Finally blew all your ETFs. Oh, that sucks. Was it you, Andy, or was it Andy? A bot?
What's up, Outer? How was work today? Or are you still at work? Oh, it took us out. Damn it. I didn't save my runner. I forgot to take off my auto thing today from close.
The auto trail.
If we get a pullback, we'll jump back in for a one more micro. If we get a pullback, maybe back into the low 60s here.
Yeah, music. A year and a half. I mean, like, to find consistency takes time, and it's different for everyone. So, different for everyone. So don't compare yourself to someone else ever, just because, you know, the timeline that they have is different from the timeline you're going to have. So, Andy blew those. He was trying to make some money before I had to pay $80 monthly on them. Yeah, it makes sense. It was a bot named Andy. A bot
Man,
named Andy.
You're doing the monthly paid, Andy?
No. Remember with Elite Trader funding, that's how it works. Their funding, they don't have a lifetime option. So Elite Trader funding, it will charge you $80 a month.
I didn't know it was like that. I've used Elite Trader once, but I've only used their account one time. I've never had a funded with them.
Maxie's over there barking at something out the window. So, they do.
Yeah, that's what methodical.
They do have lifetime, but it's crazy expensive, right?
Mm.
The money in streaming is Bulenox rebates. It's affiliate codes is all it is. The affiliate money, Peter, is how you make money streaming. It's not from YouTube, so it's from affiliates. You know, Apex, Take Private Trader, Bulenox, My Funded Futures, using our codes. That's how you make money streaming. So, and it's not an overnight thing. I mean, I did not make enough to pay my bills for the first. I think it took me 9 or 10 months before I made enough to cover my bills, which was $2,000 a month. So, what up, Willie Trades? The ORB and the ORB2. Nice. What are they trading? Which ORB? What time frame, Andy?
All right, we got a nice little bull flag set up here. It's ugly, but it's still a bull flag.
What are you going to do? Re-enter?
If it pulls back into the low 60s, I will. Like a 21 bounce or something here. Yeah, I've heard that outer trading the gold is a little better in the Asian market.
Yeah, we're long, Willie. Music, listen, the only time a trader fails is when they quit, right? It's the only time they fail. And that's why 90% quit. They either run out of money and they stop, or they get discouraged and stop. So, you're Zooming a class on them for your private group? Oh, nice, Andy. You've left NQ alone completely and only trade gold and have seen so much more consistency. Nice, right? Right, are you still streaming? Are you still, I don't know that I've seen you on in a minute. I know you were hitting that London kind of hard for a while there, but I don't think I've seen you on in a while.
Yeah, we might not even get the pullback to the 20. Looks like it already kind of had a little 5-point banger.
I'm moving my take profit up to 204. I feel like if we get a breakout here, we can really get to moving here. Let's move it down a little bit here. Where's the 5-minute imbalance at? Actually, we're going to go 189.
Got about 10 seconds left for a new candle here.
You need to get back to streaming? Yeah, once you stop, it's hard to get back. Curved, run out of money, and don't know what to do, to be honest. Yeah. If you're trading for money, if you're trading for money to pay your bills, it puts too much pressure on you, in my opinion. I think that you should still work a real job. Trade only as a side income until you can kind of make it your full-time income, and then you can take the leap. So, oh, you've been playing MYM with Trader Oracle and doing great with that. New York. But you blew all of your accounts on NQ with that big drop at the end of the day. Yeah, that sucks. I actually smashed that big drop myself. We smashed it. Get a gig job. I did that too. You cannot trade if you're good if you need the money. Yeah, yeah. That's what I did, Francis. I did Uber, I did Lyft, I did DoorDash, I did Uber Eats, I mean, all that was I added that in as a little side job for the first 10 months or so. I mean, you ask Husk, every night after trading, every day in the evening, I go out and do Uber Eats and DoorDash, and, I would drive for Uber. Luckily, I do live in a college town, so, there's decent money in it. You work Amazon delivery part-time and have to small consistency. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. We printed on that overnight long. Yeah, we're looking okay on it. And
what is a gold micro worth?
A gold micro is like, hold on, $1. Isn't a gold micro $1 a tick? You the man, Andy. Appreciate you. I think a gold micro, it's $100 a point, so it should be $10 a point for the micro. Yeah, $1 a tick. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So we're just kind of consolidating here.
Okay, so it's $1 a tick.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what Wright was saying.
Guys, we need 33 more subs to do a giveaway. And I'm not quite sure what the giveaway will be. We'll give away an account or something. Oh, thank you, Andy. Appreciate it. Yeah, I like Trader Oracle. I got actually sitting here right now. I got his he sent me a pack of these tarot cards. I don't quite know what to do with them as far as like figuring out how to use them. But these are the ones he sent me. Tasty Tarot. So these are the Trader Oracle tarot cards. Kind of neat.
So is that what Andy said? He's trading every day. It's just strictly gold.
No, Andy's trading other stuff, YM and stuff like that. Wright is trading gold.
Oh, so, I thought Andy said he was doing gold only.
Okay. MYM, micro YM music. You left props alone for a bit and have been focusing on your personal account. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Oh no, guys! Oh no!
My one micro is about to bite the dust. We're gonna be out $20. Yeah, I thought once we bounced off this 21 EMA, we might get a little push, but it's all good. Looks like we're getting a nice little dump here.
Yeah, I'm still in on my single micro here. Again, I'm going to be looking to buy the dips tonight. Honestly, we are kind of long, like middle of the range. So it's okay if it pulls back. I don't mind. There is decent
we may
volatility.
run this swing here at the 48s. Got a swing there, then also another swing down at the 30s.
This might be an ad opportunity here too. Again, we got that bigger time frame trend line down here. I could move my stop even down to the trend line down below it. It's 40 more points down. I could even do that. A single micro, guys. It's a single micro. So,
dude, 40 points down though?
It's a micro, brother. We're not worried about it.
We're not sweating $80.
You just DCA. Bring the average down. Get a little DCA action. I mean, we are already green on this account, $232 tonight. So we got a little room. So
yeah, we're back to break even.
To Mimi, I use inversions. I use inverse fair value gaps. I do sometimes use, like, I'm not going to use these EMAs and stuff during this time of day. But during New York, I'll take a little EMA play if there's no inversions. We'll take a little EMA play if we get it. But for the most part, I'm just using levels, inversions, pair it all together, little trend line action. We're doing it all. On my fundeds, I mostly stick to the inversions. I might take a 5-minute trend line break sometimes on the fundeds. And, but for the most part, we just try to stick to the inverses. on the fundeds. I go to micros if I take a 5-minute trend because you need to at least have a 30-point stop. So we'll go down to 4 micros as opposed to 1 mini. So Trader Oracle likes the engulfing candles. Yes. Did you guys know that Husk is a talented singer? You guys want to hear him sing a song?
Yeah.
He's a very talented singer. Drop your suggestions in the chat here. What song you like to hear Husk?
That's a big negative.
You want to hear Husk sing?
Husk doesn't sing.
Come on, Husk. I know you. I've heard you sing before. That's why Mick is here. He wants to hear Husk sing. See?
Oh no!
Babe by Styx.
By Styx. I've heard of Styx, but I don't know if I recognize that song.
Don't get me copyright strike though, Husk. You can't. You got to be like the guy on Step Brothers. He said you sound like a songbird or something. I don't know what words. What did he tell him?
I don't know if I remember that part. I only remember some of the other funny parts, especially about the one you see over and over about him, talking to his dad about him walking out of the shower.
Oh yeah. The bead fro.
Yeah.
To love somebody
down to the fro.
Let me look at this. The Step Brothers. How's it going, Samuel? Right here. It's only a minute. We can listen to it.
Actually, Brennan is a really talented person.
That's not it.
I promise you, man, we don't sing on this side over here. Oh, dang it. I was in there short too. That thing took me out.
Don't lie to them. You do. Oh, that's what he says. Your voice is like a combination of Fergie and Jesus.
Dang. We were short from 54, 53.
You took the short?
I did. It stopped me out because I paper handed it.
I'm moving my stop down. I'm buying dips. Now you have to make $4,800 more? That's crazy. Andy, that is crazy. You're in gold shorts. Hopefully I don't get cooked. Yeah, it's tough shorting gold. You got a little, let's look at it. I like gold on the 5-minute time frame. You did break structure here on the 5-minute on gold. It did break structure.
And the little bear flag paid off on this move here too. There's a little flag, two candle pullback.
First target 3317.6. Second target 3310.2 on gold. We'll keep an eye on it. See how it pans out. Let's see. I can't believe you took a short and didn't tell me. That's rude.
Well, you were in long. I didn't want to discourage you out of your long.
Oh, I'm never discouraged.
Well, I mean, we had a one minute trend line break, then also another bear flag pullback. So the only thing is I paper handed it and went to break even, and it hit my break even and dumped. Literally after it stopped me out, it dumped.
I'll get short if we break the 5-minute trend line. But otherwise, I'm not going to. Oh, you just paid for a dream vacation? Nice, Andy. Andy, where are we going? Where are we going? I'm invited, right?
Andy likes going on vacations. He's mentioned that a few times.
Me too.
He goes to Mexico a lot, I think. I think he said he has a timeshare or something down there.
I was going to Panama Canal. Andy, isn't that just a water? That's an area you travel through. Oh, last 10K you went to Cabo? Nice. Unfortunately, if I took any kind of vacation like that, it cost me way more than 10K. Unless I just try to go alone, which, hey. A 16-day cruise. Man, that's a long cruise. Sounds like a good time, though. Husk, what do you think about me adding another contract here?
I don't know. I'm kind of waiting for another little bear flag setup here. If this thing goes up here and bounces off the 9 EMA, because we did run this previous swing.
I'm looking to go long, Husk. Long and strong.
Dude, it's a long ways down there.
Yeah, it's all right. I got almost 100-point stop on it.
I want to see it go back, hit the 50 whole number or 148 9 EMA, then possibly look for a short there. We already got a 3 candle bear flag going.
I mean, if the ES can't recover 84, I mean, if we don't hold 73, then that would be that'd be kind of my first concern there, but we'll see. If we get this inversion here, I'll probably add.
For long here, you need to recover this 50. If we recover this 50, we might get a push.
Oh, nothing wrong with that, Andy. 6 different countries? Wow. Sounds nice. Sounds nice.
I got that doji candle rocking.
Let me look at Husk over here. Be entering trades and not saying a word. Seeing a range between 130 and 170 on the 3-minute, going back to New York close. Yeah. Husk is now
I'll
short.
stay in this as long as it stays below the 50. If it stays below the, gets around that 50, we'll probably close it.
Husk is over there. Don't fade me, bro. Nah, it's fine.
Well,
ES did lose that key level there, the 84. I mean, realistically, you got to really reclaim 98 to pop there, but I'm just, I don't know. I still think we're going up, even if we pull all the way back down to this trend line. If we break this trend line, then we'll see.
Don't know what that was.
I have no idea either.
Ooh.
I'm down $50. What up, Yoji? We get some news there or what?
I don't know what that was, but we did have a little bear flag. That's what I was saying. We had a bear flag back into the 9 EMA. Look at that 9 EMA bounce. Hit it right on the money. I didn't expect this little boner candle here.
Husk, where's the trauma at? Can you see it?
Let me pull up Trading View real quick.
I can do it if you don't have it up.
Actually, we just broke the trauma back at 62. So actually, the reason what's going on here is 31. If we get through this 31, that's today's low. We should get a nice little sell here. But if 31 holds, we're going back up.
We actually rejected the trauma at 73 on the 5-minute.
Oh, I am on the 5 minutes too, right?
I don't know. I see it on the 5-minute at 73. 72.
So this is a bounce. This 31.32, that's where we bounced off at today's lows. So if that holds, we're probably going back up. Then we would have to get above yesterday's close at 148. Oh, wait, I'm off. So I'm thinking this is the next day's lows. That's why that's saying low. If we stay below 148, we'll continue down because that's yesterday's close.
We need to go up. I don't know what to do.
Dude,
I'm just holding.
there is nothing really holding it. Yeah, I think if you look to the left, man, look at this big boner candle.
Oh no, I know we got room down. I mean, I see it on the higher time frame there,
Yeah.
5 minute and the 15. Like I said, if we break structure on the 5, we'll flip short. There's a lot of room down to 20,000. That's what we talked about earlier. But let's go, Willie. Nice job. The site gave me a message that I'm blocked. What? Financial juice blocked to Mimi. Oh. I just know as soon as I close this trade, it'll rip up. You know. We'll see what the next few minutes brings us. Plus, you know, I'm testing the theory that people like to see you lose. You know what I mean? Guys, I'm short on all my fundage right here. I'm having a terrible night.
I know.
I've blown
People
everything.
want to see the epic fail. Then they want to see you flip out. Flip out for us, methodical man.
I've blown it all.
Give us what we don't see behind closed cameras.
Oh yeah, no, we can't say those words. We don't say those words live, but when we're trading by ourselves, a couple F-bombs might fly out. See, when you're trading off stream on another screen and no one sees it, and you have to keep those F-bombs inside.
I know you got to keep posure. You're like,
You gotta be like, can't say that in front of everybody.
oh my goodness.
Can't let that fly. DJ, my brother will come in here sometimes, and if I'm in a trade, he'll come in here and stand right next to me and stare at me, and it'll make me lose my mind. I'm like, dude, don't come in here and stare at me. Like I'm in the middle of a trade. Leave me be. It's not going well. Let me, Yeah, I shoot people. It might. He thinks it's going to 20,071. That's kind of the trend line down there. Actually.
Oh, I might want to move that up. I had my take profit sitting at 105, so we may do 110.
So, why not shoot for the 20,000? Or maybe the 5 minute trend line down here at like 115. Yeah, 110. I guess that's where you have it at, huh?
Yeah.
That's where.
Dude, what sucks is, man, is my original entry was like 53, and now my entry's back at 40. Like, just because I want to break even.
Dude, stop paper handing stuff. What's wrong with you? I
know,
never do that stuff. I never paper hand anything, guys. Never.
And sometimes I don't even know why I'm paper handing an eval either, but I do it. I still do it.
Retest that pivot there at 31.
Move it to break even outer. Alrighty. We can always re-enter. 48 should be the line in the sand here. 48. If we stay below 48, we're probably going to stay short tonight. I wish I had my trading view up because I would have saw that, but I didn't see it until it was too late.
What's at 48?
It's yesterday's close. That's where we closed at. There's always a lot of support there. Once we got below it, we pushed below it, retested it. Then that's where that big sell-off came from.
Black Phoenix can't trade Asia. Always end up taking a loss. Yeah, me too, Black Phoenix. Especially when I'm trading with Husk Trader over here, giving me bad information, telling me to go long when it's really a short, that kind of stuff.
We may get this 20 pullback here.
Yes, kind of bouncing there off the 77 level.
I'm going to move right above this 21 EMA. So still just risk like 3 points in case we bounce off the 21 here.
Where you got the one?
Because it looks like we're making making another little bear flag here.
Got the makings of a bear flag.
Yeah, Outer, we're trading very small, like 1-2 micros here.
Guys, we only need 32 more subs. There's 32 people watching, not subscribed. We'll do a giveaway. We might get a bullish harami here on the 5-minute. Let's see.
Uh-oh.
It's got to close green here in the next 20 seconds. Doesn't look like it's going to do it.
133 is an important position here.
And
Outer, you already off work for the day?
I cannot tell. That really did not close green.
Oh, just got off. Nice. If you're short, you really don't want to see us get back above this pivot at 34. Oh, goodness.
Kind of dead right now, huh?
Oh,
Kind of dead. I have the pivot at 32 on my chart. You could eat 32
May
subs over the
close
course of a
this.
weekend.
all right. At least we'll take a little profit out of that. That way, if it does come back up, we can always re-enter.
Well, right now it's lower highs, lower lows, so it's not looking very bullish right now. Do you hear all those beeps? Man, what could that be?
Beeps.
Oh, yeah. Kind of missing those Trump tweets. Get back below that 30 area there. We should get a little push lower. We'll see, though. I'm expecting that 5-minute trend line to be tested. Whether or not it holds or not, I really have no idea.
Where's the 5-minute trend line at?
I don't have it drawn out on here. Hold on.
Ooh, might have to sell. Did that Romney close?
No.
Let's see.
It didn't form.
It looks like it did. It didn't?
Not on my screen.
Mm. So what is that? Buy.
Trend line down there at like 115, 110 area. I can't tell if that's a... I mean, is that a harami?
Looks like it.
I don't know. So it's weird on some different feeds how it closes. Maybe it did close green. I don't know. I can't tell. Like on my end, it didn't. But on Bulenox, I don't see that it's green. That it's green. You're seeing green, Mo? I don't know why it doesn't show green on mine.
What's up, Michael? You said the previous 5-minute close green on the micros?
Yeah, I'm on the minis. That might be why over here on this other on my 5-minute chart. I don't know. It just closed with no body on mine. So I don't know.
What we'll do is if this runs back up to 48 or somewhere around this 50 EMA, we'll hold it until then and just add to it.
I mean, I guess the target would be like 49 then. If that Harami was going to pay, but you got the 47s, the 50 EMA.
Yeah, see on my chart that little Romney seemed like it closed, the body closed within the previous body, and you got a wick below it. I thought it was good.
Yeah, I guess on this chart it's showing green on the micros. I don't know. On the minis, it doesn't have a body at all. What up, Amelia?
Wow, that was a pretty wild fake out. I thought that was going to be the push there. I thought maybe at least take out. Yeah, it's super choppy. I'm fairly new to trading Asia market. I mean, I've gotten on here and looked at Asia market, but I've never had no luck trading Asia market.
Prenatal.
All right, so we're getting it.
Yeah, it's pushing up here.
Like I said, 48 is kind of going to be my line in the sand here with the one micro. We try to enter with two. We went ahead and sold one off, so it kind of keeps our losses down. Oh, it's not considered Asian and not till 8. Okay, see, I didn't know that. So what is this, like the Wild Wild West market?
It's like GlobeEx or something, technically.
Oh, okay. What's it called?
They call it like GlobeEx, or I don't even know.
GlobeEx. Yeah, but Michael just put that in there too. He said GlobeEx. Okay. I did not know that.
We definitely have a Harami now. I see that. A bullish Harami now. Could maybe go for the... I mean, it's not a very big win. If you take it here. It's not... you're not looking for that many points, I guess is what the word should be. Maybe like 46... We'll give it a quick try on another eval.
I would think that we push up, maybe retest the 48s.
Well, target would be 45, so I don't know. We'll see. What'd you learn, Black Phoenix? Australian or GlobeEx?
So usually at 8 o'clock, we'll get like a little bump in the market where it'll just, a little bit more volume.
This is the world money market clock. Guys, we only need 30 more subs. 30 more subs to get to our goal. Can we do it? For the giveaway.
Where's the ES?
ES is at 56.79.
Okay. So it didn't get back up to 84.
No, not yet. Really kind of dead here. It's not really moving.
So there's no bump in the Japan market when it opens, right? So not like some of the other markets where you have like a little 10, 20 point move.
Yeah, you should get a bump.
Oh, okay. I don't know. It looks like a nice little bear flag to me. So I'm going to stay short.
There will be a bump. We don't know if it's up or down, though. but a bump there will
Well,
be.
48 is going to be my line in the sand.
I'm tempted to full port this other eval over here, but nah, I'm not going to do it. We'll leave it at
About
one mini.
Port.
Get the port report going. What is that line?
I don't know. It's my ugly bear flag.
It doesn't
It's getting
go
tight, man. It's getting tight.
It doesn't say that flag doesn't go anywhere.
Just drawing. That's all. Just drawing.
It goes
Look at it, man.
nowhere.
Getting the bear flag breakout right here. Come on.
The open usually magnetically pulls towards the imbalance area. Then it will try to correct. Then overcorrect. Then consolidate. Kind of makes sense. A little pullback there on the new 5-minute candle.
Come on. Japan had good news today. They're going in the oil business with the United States, they said.
Looks like this Harami is going to fail. Maybe. Let's see, should we add into it? Why not?
No.
Oops. Nothing a little DCA
like,
can't
"No."
fix. I got my target at 43 and a quarter and 45 since the 50 EMA's up there. You been short for the last 5 minutes?
I wish I'd have kept my short from the 53.
Oh.
Like I said, if we get to the 48 and it holds, I'm going to add. Or even maybe the 50. We got the 50 EMA sitting at 44.
What do you mean, Gator Trader? You were trying to help? Noob streamer. Noob traders. Yes, we're noobs. We never claim to be professionals.
No.
Well, we do make money.
Just partial entertainments.
It is entertainment. Or lack thereof. It's just however you view it.
Where'd you get short from, Black Phoenix? I feel like the proper short was probably back up at the 50s. There was a little bear flag set up back up at the 50s. Right there. That was the short.
Well, we're finally getting a little push here. Come on,
Okay,
get to the
40s. That's not too bad. Like I said, I think as long as 48 holds, we should be good. But if above 48, I start getting worried.
Yeah, if we can just rerun that little wick up there.
And 48 is going to be your yesterday's close. Oh, nice people. Entry at 47.
What up, Disciplined Trader? How you doing? There's a little push. Can it sustain it? Can it pop it? We do got the top of the hour here in about 6 minutes. See if that wants to push us back up here a bit.
Oh, goodness.
I'm long over here at micro, but I am also long over here.
Yeah, I'm just going to stand it with my one micro, Michael.
2 minis over here.
Well, we're not doing no minis, man. We're not trying to wreck our evening. We just see if we can add a few bucks.
Could maybe leave one on for just a little, maybe a run back up into the 50. Got a new 5-minute candle coming in here.
A little Asia pop.
Your Dawn Chain channel opened up. Bullish now. Can she go? Can she go? I don't know. New 5-minute candle here in 2 seconds. 1. What happens?
All right, so we're down 12 points times 2, 25 bucks. I think we're down $22.
Let's get me out of that 1, then I'll go break even here.
I can't believe you're already trading minis in this. It's insane.
Oh, just there on that eval.
Oh.
Nothing crazy.
All right, guys. So we got about less than 5 minutes left before the Japan market opens.
Yeah, it stopped out. At least we hit 1. I'm still long over here. A single mini or a single micro here. Again, if we test the 5-minute and we break it, then we'll flip short. If we test the 5-minute trend and we break it, I'll flip short probably 5 micros at that point. Oh, you got 5 micros on? No, that sucks. Should have stayed short there, Black Phoenix, or took profit at the 50 EMA. Kind of tapped it pretty right there, pretty close to it there anyway.
Excuse me.
Looks like Husk re-entered short.
No, I've been short.
Oh, you're still short. You've been holding?
Yeah. 48 was my line in the sand. I wanted to add if we got up to 48.
Yeah, I'm still watching that trend line there. If we get a nice trend line break here, I'll take it.
Well, I guess I did re-enter because my first entry was 53. Then I re-entered again at 40 and then again at 30.
So the 5-minute trend line will also be my line in the sand on this micro long here. If we can't hold it, if we close below it, then I'll take this off and eat the loss.
I may close this and wait for a pushback up to re-enter.
Guys, we just need 28 more subs to do the giveaway here. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I got the link to Husk channel, who is live with us here, pinned in the top of the chat there. Go subscribe to his channel. Pull his stream up. Watch him at the same time. He's also live if you want to see his chart. Appreciate you. Gold's falling. Did it break the trend on the 5? Oh, yeah, it did. Oh, it hit the first target. Second target, 310.2. So gold broke the trend, hit the first target. You can kind of hold a, if you're in gold, you can hold a little lotto runner down to 296, but don't know if we get it. Hey, SBX Trading Lab, thank you for your subscription. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. You the man. Let's go.
All right, less than 2 minutes to go before Japan opens. See if we get a little bit of bump here.
Bump down or bump up?
I don't know. I'm expecting I want to see a bump up to the 48s.
You got to tell it what you want.
I want to see us retest yesterday's close. Nice. Hey, I think any kind of profit in the Snellville trading market's good. Green's
Holding to
green.
3,200.
It's like a little bump for tomorrow, Black Phoenix. That feeling when you get on in the morning, you see green without taking a trade, like, yes, starting the New York session out in the green.
What would you do for $44 is the question. I know what Husk would do. The dirty things Husk would do.
I go buy a couple Chick-fil-A sandwiches with some leftovers for tomorrow money. 2 days worth of Chick-fil-A.
Here we go. Little something, something.
I guess I'm gonna get my long. Might have to close this because I jumped back in long trying to see if we could take it back up to the 48.
I might long bottom of the range here. We'll see.
I just don't want to stand this till we can run this wick because we could run this wick all the way down here.
Well, that wick already grabbed that liquidity down there, so I don't know. The cheese sandwich of the market. Yes, Sean, we are. It's the cheese sandwich.
What I want to buy, sell. Let's sell one of our contracts off. So we just have one micro left in this.
Approaching the 5-minute trend line there. Still holding the 15-minute trend for now.
Go right below the 24s. Today's lows is setting at 124 here. Oh, never mind.
All right, we're at the 5-minute trend now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and DCA now. I haven't DCA'd the whole time. But I'm going to go in probably, let's get my average. We're going to go 5 here. And if it does not hold, we'll flip short.
All right, we got stopped out on that one.
So let's see if we get a little bounce here, get out of this trade or not. Just need a retest of the 130 at the pivot. If the 5-minute closes below the trend line, then I'm flipping short, and we'll go from there. Although, let me check. Yeah, we're kind of far away from that trauma, so... So right there at the trend line right now on the 5-minute. Let's see if it holds. 15-minute trend is a little further down there. I really want to see the 5 hold here, though. Just give me a little push up here, get me out of these contracts, and we'll be all right. Full port! All right, Pine Tree, why are you tempting me over there?
Or did Pine Tree go short?
No, he just put in full port in the chat.
Oh.
He's tempting me. He's tempting me. Coming to the bottom.
I thought you were trading micros.
I am on micros, yeah.
Oh.
I'm on micros.
Okay.
We are on micros. Got us out of 1 or 2 of the contract. I think 1 there on that push up. Yeah, gold shorts are in play. I mean, I didn't take it either, but yeah. We were looking at the gold shorts there.
So what are you looking for it to pop back up to the 30s to take a short from there?
No, I'm just looking for the retest to get me out of this long, and then just like that, and then I'm going to move my stop to break even. This is the bounce off that 5-minute trend line that I talked about. And now I'm going to see if it can go. So basically waited there to DCA to the very end, and got myself out down to 1 micro here. If it can't hold here and go, then we'll be stopped out. So down to 1 micro. Bounced right off the 5-minute trend line, as you can see here. Right off the 5-minute trend. Doesn't mean that's going to hold, but for now, we at least got a reaction off of it. Yeah, the 1 hour strong too. Yeah. All right, guys, we only need 24 more subscribers to do the giveaway. Come on. 24 more subs. Let's get there. Keeping those micros for the OnlyFans. Let's go.
Heck yeah.
Nice job, Sean. Yeah, I didn't take it on the minis. I will short 1 mini with a 30-point stop and a 30-point take profit if we break the 5-minute trend. And we'll see how that goes. Just got back from the pub. Oh, you a little drunk? Sean's a little drunk over there. He's a little tipsy. A little tipsy. Don't worry, Husk is drunk too. RDD Duarte, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. He's smashed. He's smashed. Best way to trade, TF it trade. Kimchi tacos. My wife can't stand the smell. She kicked me out of the office, out to my office. Nice.
Some tacos? I wanted tacos.
El taco. Yeah, Husk and I today we went to a little barbecue place here, local barbecue place called Zeb's. Zeb's. Husk wasn't a huge fan, but you know, it's all right. I was supposed to skip lunch. It looks like I'm skipping dinner instead, you know? Oh, barbecue doesn't exist. Where do you live, Sean? I don't even know. I thought you were in Texas. Where are you at?
Well, there's got to be barbecue in Texas.
Maybe he wasn't. Maybe it's somebody else that was in Texas. Liverpool, England. I'm way off.
I bet say there's probably barbecue on like every other street corner.
Who's in Texas? Does Dale live in? No, Dale doesn't live in Texas. Is CT? One of them. Gold long stopped me out just before $6. Yeah, gold did pop right off that level, huh?
Wow, what are we bouncing right off that trend line?
Yeah, you hit that 5-minute trend line and popped.
Yeah, I thought we rerun this. I tried to re-enter the short. Right now, my line in the sand is going to be this pivot here if we get back above this 34 pivot.
Guys, we only need 23 more, or 23 of you guys watching that are not subscribed. If you are, hit the subscribe button, and we'll hit a giveaway going here. Sean's long too. Let's go.
Nice.
Yeah, I've been kind of in that failed breakdown recovery mode today. That's kind of like the way I feel. Same way last night. Just looking for.
All right, we're getting back above that. Going to close out our pivot here, our 1 micro.
Just looking for price to continue to pop here. Kind of get these pops. Just keep buying all the drops. As long as you don't oversize, then it works out okay, right? We stayed 1 micro. Guys, also subscribe to Husk channel too if you're not yet subscribed. His channel's linked in the chat there. Man, I do ultimately think this might break this 5-minute trend line. You know, maybe we go down a bit more because we do got a lot of room down to like the 20,000 area. I mean, I'm even considering just dropping a full port contract, maybe 7 minis at the 20K, leaving it overnight for like 10-point pop off the 20K. 7 minis, 10 points, perfect. On all funded accounts, what do you think, Husk?
No, that's a lot.
Come on, Husk, live a little. We got 10 seconds on this 5-minute candle. Does not look like it's going to close below, which means if the next one does, it probably breaks through there and goes quickly. 21 more subs. We need 21 more to do the giveaway. Probably give away like $50 or something like that. Or I don't know. I don't know what kind of crew I got watching me here. So I don't know if I'm going to say what I want to say here. Yeah, I probably shouldn't, huh? The only thing really holding us up is the 15-minute trend line. So if the 5-minute does break, then you'll have some resistance down here at the 110, 111. Black Phoenix says, say it. $50,000. Come on, chat. $50. No, I can't say it. I'll get in trouble. Husk will be embarrassed.
What's that?
If I say what I wanted to say.
Oh.
I was going to give them an option on the giveaway. They can either get $50.
$50.
Or there's a second option. $50. Gold's moving back down. You loaded it on the pullback. Yeah, that's a little pop there. Yeah, it is moving back down. I am a little tempted, but I'm not going to do it. Man, if it breaks that 17, it's got a lot of room down there. How big of a stop would you need? 5 points? So like $550 stop? If I entered now, if I entered 1 mini, do we do it? Nah. Oh, she wants to stop me out here. I don't know why. But CFDs, it doesn't move your entry when you add on it. It adds completely new entry. Oh, I got you. Nice. All right, looks like we're about to break this trend line. And I'm about to get stopped out potentially on this here runner. There it is. So
Did
I
it break
do
the trend line?
It's not closed below yet, but it's breaking it.
Oh.
So I am going to go ahead and short here. So I'm short on the other eval. And I'm just assuming it's going to close below. It may not. And I'll load the boat here on this one as well. It's hitting the 5-minute trend line now, so.
Oh, shit. I thought we were below it.
Or 15-minute trend line. We are below the 5-minute. What up, DA? It's a safe place. If it doesn't close below, I may kill this. I'm waiting here. I'm assuming that the 5 minutes is going to close below. We still got 2 minutes left on it, though. It may not. Yeah, you got the 15-minute trend line down at 111, 110 area. Yeah, James, that happened yesterday too at some point, and then they kind of got to the synchronization that they were supposed to be in, right? You got 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle too, so if we can close below on the 15-minute as well, that would be ideal in the next 2 minutes. A little extra confirmation, right?
I might have jumped in a little early on that then.
Yeah, me too.
I wasn't watching it.
No, I'm in already. Though I've got 1 minute left on the 5-minute and the 15. I'm jumping in either way.
You said 114 is the Fibonacci 1618.
So it could fail. Who knows?
Oh, NQ's in the discount. I got what you're saying.
Yeah, I mean it is, but with the trendline trades, premium and discount. I mean, it's a thing, but typically it doesn't matter. If you take it, you take it. So I'm going to go ahead. Looks like the 5 minutes going to close below. We got 20 seconds left. And the majority of what I take here will be scalps. So I'm going to go 5, and I'm going to, take most of them off at like 6 or 7 points and leave a little lotto runner down to that 20,090 area. 87 maybe. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, no, I know, Coach Fred. I didn't want to embarrass Husk too much, though.
That's okay.
He didn't like it when I do that. I'm like, man, why you say
Telling
that crap
wiener
in front of
jokes?
everybody?
Telling wiener jokes?
No, it wasn't a wiener joke. I was going to say, if we did the giveaway, there's 2 options.
Oh, there's your 114 outer. Oh, outer was on the money on the 114.
Tapping that 15-minute trend line here. Got to push through it. 5 minute already broke. Just need that 15-minute to break here. And down she goes.
Where was the 5 minute trend line? What's the buy-in on that one?
117.75.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm right at it then. I'm at 117.50.
Yeah, I got my stop at 147.75.
Oh.
ES is at the 73 here, so we are at a little bit of support on the ES, but if we can break that, then
We're at the 72 there.
we can go.
Oh.
I mean, I'm just going to hold it. We're only in 3 micros here. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We'll see. Not going to break the bank on it. I'm going to take 2 off at the trend line break, and then I'm going to leave 1 lotto runner. That's the plan. What up, Trev? Watch me long, watch me nay. Sean's over there fading us. He's over there fading us. I said, don't fade me, bro.
All right. We were in for 7 contracts. We took 5 off at 5 points to get a little buffer.
Whew. All right, got my 30-point stop in with a micro. 1-to-1 here, seeing if we can get it. Can we get the push down? I don't know.
Actually gave me a little bit better entry. Now my entry's at 119.
ES is at a key level here. What up, France?
Yeah, we got to get through those 72s.
Guys, if you've not hit the like button or subscribe, please do so we can do the giveaway. I want to do the giveaway, and I want to hit 7,000 subs. 7,000 subs and a giveaway. Let's do it. I don't want to start the giveaway to get the subs. I want you guys to just subscribe so I don't have to start the giveaway. Let's do it. D. Meal, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. How you soy G, brother? We're doing good, France. I don't know what soy G means. Probably a little typo, I'd imagine. We got to break this 15-minute timeline. Oh, you took a little break? Yeah, I did. Got to break this 15-minute trend line. I think I said timeline. Hashtag crash. Exclamation point crash. Outer. Can she do it?
I get D Mills with the subscribe.
Means get faded in Japanese. Already got a fade, bro.
Oh, goodness.
I do need a haircut. Uh-oh, Black Phoenix. Black Phoenix is over there fading me. 5 micros
fading.
long. I mean, the 15-minute has not broke yet, Black Phoenix, so that's kind of your saving grace. If this 15-minute breaks, then we got a long way down. That's the thing is, like, if we switch over to the 15-minute time frame, I mean, like, there's nothing. It breaks this trend line. There is nothing down to 20,000. In my opinion, really holding us up. Looks kind of clean. We'll see. Doesn't mean it works, right? Certainly could fail. It hasn't broke yet, so if it holds, you could have a strong rip back up. I mean, ES is at a key level here too, so I mean, this very well could fail. Good thing is we took 5 micros for, I don't know, 12, 24, 36, 48. We made $48 already. We got a $60 stop, so we're risking $12 even if we get stopped out on this, right? That's all we're risking.
Are you not holding your 30-point stop loss no more?
Yeah, I have the 30-point stop, but I'm in 1 micro.
Okay.
I started with 5. So I've already scaled 6.5 points on 4. So just doing the math. No, I didn't make no
I'm still
drama
on that
video,
for
Coach
2.
Fred. I was going to, but I didn't. Short at least to the 90s. Yeah, I mean, I think we get through. If we get through the 90s, we really go. Are you short over there? Yeah, you are. How many are you short? Is that 2? 2.
Yeah. Well, we started off. We were short 7. We did a 5 points. Took 5 off at 5 for $50.
Gold's breaking through that level. Man, I was like wanting to FOMO into gold so bad. I think it was right there. Yeah, no, it was a little lower than that. So I'd be up like $380 right now.
But we'll be in a hole if we come back with what, $4 times 30. That's 120.
Who, me?
No, if I let it go 30 points up,
Nice job, Coach Fred.
I think I'm going to play 20.
It's up to you. I mean, we're at the 15-minute trend. The only thing I would say is like your 5-minute at 20 points. Yeah, I mean, you could retest the 5 and still be fine at a 20-point stop. I mean,
Actually, I just sold off 1 contract. That's why I'm just in it for 1. They put my entry back at 117.
It's one of those things where I could see it going back up if we hold the 73 here and start to squeeze. I mean, we're holding the 15-minute uptrend, right? You're not breaking it yet. So, I mean, it could go back up. But if it does break it, then you're going to see a nice little elevator. A nice elevator down. Black Phoenix, nice job. Hopefully you made some money on that. Little pop.
Oh, shit. Nice.
Gold should make a
Phoenix
big
all
move in
out.
40 minutes. Top of the hour.
I've been wanting to look at gold. I've looked at it a little bit, but I've never taken any trades on it.
Very similar, like especially I like the 5-minute trend on gold. Like you trade the 5-minute trend line just like you do normal. I mean, look how clean this looks. Pretty clean. These two bridges.
Let me see.
2 bridges. I mean, if you get through the 33.10 here, I mean, you got a lot of room down to 32.96. You're up $96. Let's go.
How much more do we need to get to get the giveaway? What are you sitting
We
at?
need 19 more.
Oh, 19 more.
Is anybody else subscribed to Husk? What do we got over here?
Yeah, got a few subscribers. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it.
Gold's been like the NQ on crack.
Gold's been like 10Q on crack. That's pretty good.
Gold has been just going to the moon lately, huh? Like new high after new high after new high. All right. Getting a little push back up here.
Yeah, I really need to get through these 72s on the ES.
Unable to crack those that 15-minute trend line so far. Now, if we close back inside the 5-minute trend line, I might kill it. We'll see. Fausto Dos Santos, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Now we only need 18 more.
Just trying to readjust this camera.
Oh, man. I don't want to start the giveaway there until we get close. If we get close, we'll start the giveaway, but we're not close. Close is like within like 5. We've got 101 people watching. Surely there's got to be 16 of you that aren't subscribed. Hey, we just gained one more. Appreciate your subscription. Gold is like
Nice.
NQ. If NQ was a toddler, you just let it eat a bag of chocolate and chase it down with soda. Okay.
Oh, shoot. Pretty good. I'm going to have to start checking gold out a little bit more. So is gold better to trade at night or during the day? Or is it just good all day?
No, it moves way better at night.
Okay.
Gold moves better at night. I am still in this on my other eval over here in a mini. So we are in a mini on the other eval. Risking $600. Same entry, same everything. Same. So risking $600 for $600 there on that eval. It's really no different there. All right, we're up to 14 more. 14 more. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll have to check them out a little bit more next week, right?
You can trade it all day. There's good volume, but you like it at night. Yeah, I think it moves better at night. It moves during the day too, but it's a little more choppy. But yeah. Floating $400 in profit on gold. Nice. GC, very technical 30-minute chart gives you a good idea of the patterns. LMD Collectibles, welcome to the Methodical Crew. You the man, Mateus Regiardo. I'm probably butchering that. Perfect. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. So, see if we can't squeeze our way to 7,000. All right, nice little candle there. Nice little candle.
Nice.
Is this just going to be a little liquidity grab, though, for a ripper? This 15-minute candle closes in 2 minutes. So let's see if the 15-minute candle can close below.
There should be much of a delay.
That's what we
like
want to see.
4 seconds?
Yeah, maybe like 4 or 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Maybe 6. I don't know. We need this thing to close below this trend line on the next 2 minutes. Con should do it. Still holding it. Got some consolidation here. A little consolidation maybe for the next leg down. That's the hope anyway.
Where is that?
Change YouTube to playback ×2. Yeah, that does help. You're targeting the
Somehow
100s. Let's go.
Messed my camera up.
What?
Oh, no. Somehow I messed up my camera where my face was halfway off the screen.
Yeah, you're kind of sitting. Oh,
nice. Let's go 90. I'm going to take some profit out of this just in case.
Trying to pass your first funded account? We're looking for the short LMD.
Oh man, we hit that 90. I had my crap sitting at 89, man.
Short on both evals here. I'm going to take the one with minis off here. That one had a mini on it. So maybe
More likely, we're going to push back above this 100 into that 110.
made about $500 on that one right there. 512.46 to be exact. Going to hold the micro, obviously. No reason not to hold that. Thank you, Coach Fred. 12 subscribers away, guys. 12 subscribers away. Man, we really could target lower here. I don't know if
How
I
much
should.
lower? Because I
Dude,
got mine.
20,017 is the next bridge.
Ah, shoot. Oh, well. It just hit my stop loss. Or, you know.
Nice job, Black Phoenix. Yeah, 20,017 is the next bridge, really.
Woohoo, we're
But
up $80 tonight.
ES
so far.
did bounce off of that. It did bounce off that 67 level to the tick. So if it V shapes and recovers 73 here, that would be of concern. You got 20 seconds. Okay, so the 15-minute candle did close below. Yeah, Brett says 20,000. So what I'm thinking, 20,017. We go live usually in the New York session, LMD. Probably 1 to 2 days a week. I'll do the Asia. Same thing with Husk. So this could be a good ad spot, to be honest. But
No, that's what I was thinking. I said 110. We hit that 110.
150 worst case, but we print 90s again. We plummet. I agree, Trev. That's kind of why I'm thinking about moving my lotto winner down to 20,017. See, that's the next bridge down there. Like, you really could get this overnight. I'm not saying it's going to go there now. I mean, it could, but, you know, something like that. The 15-minute did break structure. Let me see where the 15-minute trauma is. It's way up there at 200. Wow, we're far away from that. The trauma on the 5 minutes at 130. So that would kind of be my line in the sand, 130.
What is your trauma setting set at? Because mine's different than yours.
Should be just like, let's see.
Is it 15?
Guys, we need 11 more subs to do the giveaway here.
Yeah, it is. It's 15. That's
Yeah, mine's at 15.
Yeah, I had mine set at 9 for some reason.
You have to see momentum. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, obviously, this is a scenario where, like, you know, if we kind of closed above this with momentum, I might like a long there, but, like, I don't know. We broke structure on the 15. We broke structure on the 5. You expect this thing just to continue down. I think if we break 90 here, if we close below 90, I'll put stop to break even. Because once we close below 90, I don't expect price to return to this area.
Yeah,
So,
right now it's bouncing off that 110.
I appreciate you, Black Phoenix.
I don't really want to see us get back above 114 of this 21 EMA here.
Guys, we're only 10 subscribers away from the giveaway. Can we do it? 10 subscribers.
Nice. 10. That's pretty good.
ES back up to the VWAP and the 73. If ES reclaims the 73 here with strength, then shorts could be in trouble. But let's see what happens. That's kind of what I'm looking at on the ES. You got these key levels here that we marked out before the market. You know, we mark these out every day from Mancini.
And for some Netflix, nice.
And this is his bread and butter setup. A breakdown of a level, you know, type deal there. So we'll see if the ES can hold below that area.
I mean, this is a good looking little bear flag going.
McCoy says you also have a 15-minute IFEG from 10 to 10:30 if it holds. Gotcha. I think that if we close below the 90, we're going to get a big flush. Fotografia e vegan. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Only 8 subs away, guys. We'll do the giveaway. Just 8 subs. Call your grandma. Call your dad,
So
your
they're
mom,
doing-
your brother, your sister, your cousin, your uncle. I don't know.
So you gonna do the 50 banger? Give away 50?
Yeah, we're going to give away $50, or you'll have an option of a second prize. We're not going to mention it right now.
I'm not taking my shirt off from anybody.
No, it's nothing like that. They don't want to. They don't want to see the tank.
The tank. Oh goodness.
The tank. You heard of Frank the Tank, Husk the Tank.
Yeah, no kidding.
Nice reaction off that 73 level there.
Ooh, look there. That's what I'm talking about. We lost that 100 level. Gonna
Zoom out
grab
here.
10 more points out of this.
Again, I'm going to go stop to break even if we close below 90 on the 1 minute. We only need 7 more subs. Husk rides his bike shirtless. He does.
Yeah, the electrical bike.
He rides it shirtless and he doesn't sweat because he doesn't pedal. Exactly, Brad. We break these 90s, we got a little leg down here. We could potentially have another leg down. Inside bar printed on the 5 minute there as well. We just broke it to the downside too. A little extra confluence.
I was hoping to really get this last contract off. Or
It's coming.
One more.
Give it a second. It'll get there.
well, I'm in it just for 2. I've already sold the rest of them off. I was trying to get one more 10-pointer. I think that'll push me over $100. Yeah, we're sitting at 108 at the moment. So
It'll get there. Give it a minute. What do you got it sitting at? 92.25? Yeah, it should get there.
yeah, I actually could even get 93 up there. There we go. Woohoo! We broke the 3 digits.
All right, let's see if we can close below 90 here. Get a little elevator.
Oh, there goes
little
that-
elevator. Guys, who else is giving it to you like Methodical and Husk? Come on now. You guys were doubting my long earlier. Now you're doubting my short. No, I'm just kidding.
All right, let's get the retest at the 90. Need that 90 to hold.
I did say I was going to go break even there, but it did close below 90. I don't really see a reason for it to revisit the 117 area. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to leave risk on here for a moment. Give it a little second.
Unfortunately, my entry's back down at 103. That's okay.
8 subscribers away, guys. It's got to be 8 of you that are watching. I don't like to beg. I mean, just give me the 8 subs.
8
Come on,
subscribers
guys.
for a 50 banger.
Yeah. Or a
And
mystery.
a surprise.
A
Or a
mystery,
mystery surprise.
Second gift. Second, what you call it? A second option.
Methodical's over here playing Make a Deal.
Make a deal. Got to make a deal with you. I don't like this push. I'm going to be honest. I do not like this push.
I know this is a pretty strong push.
I mean, we got to stay below 110, 111. That's why I said, like, you really it should not come back to this area. You know, the
I
kind of
wanna
the
see
idea is like lower highs and lower lows,
100
right?
hold.
That's what we've been doing the whole way down. Lower highs, lower lows. So I think moving the stop to break even here should be safe. But I'm going to leave it where it is. We'll see what happens. We'll risk the $60.
All right, my last contract's about to be at break even. All right, we're
What's
stopped
that?
out.
What's that yellow line on your chart?
Yes. What yellow line?
No, what is that yellow line on your chart? Is that the 9?
Yeah, that's the 9.
Okay.
Then the red is the 50 and the white's the Yeah. The red is the 21 and the white's the 50. Yeah.
I got you. I got you. Guys, we're trying to do a giveaway here. Guys, can't talk. Trying to do a giveaway of $50. $50 if we can get to 7,000. Folks laugh at me, but I put sell limits on the 9 EM 21 EMA. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
We love
whatever.
some 9 and 21 EMA.
Whatever works for you, you know what I mean? Oh, the 9 and 21 EMA. Yeah.
The link says it's invalid. Oh, man. Sorry about that, GR. Let me see if I can get you one here real quick. Nope. I'll have to wait. Because if I click on it, it'll mess up my thing.
Yeah. Tonight's play money, 417. Nice job, David. You wear a clown suit and dance. Same thing they do to Tom Sabo. They laugh at him too.
Trying to think. Let's see. I thought I updated all my Discord links.
I'm tempted to move this to break even, but it's just one micro. I mean, I don't, I don't like this failed breakdown of the 67 level, but we did break structure on the 15 minute, so it could retest the 15-minute trend line and then sell back down. So I'm going to, as long as we hold below the 15-minute trend, I'll continue to hold. If we close back inside it.
Okay.
And
I think I might have found one for you.
We got the 50 EMA sitting up there at my entry as well.
Somehow I messed up my freaking photos by doing that.
It hasn't tested the 50 EMA. You messed up your photos?
Yeah. I don't know. Somehow.
Your sister needed an operation, so you couldn't go to Disney? No, Trev. What happened to your sister?
Sorry about that.
Now, if you say something like she had to get a gigantic stick removed from her butt or something like that. Oh. It was a sad funeral. Oh, your sister she passed away? What? Is that what you're saying, Trev? She needs an operation. Has she gotten it? Is that a Williams Gator? What? What's a Williams Gator? Yeah, I thought
Yeah, sorry about the photos, guys.
I thought you were joking around there, Trev. I didn't think you were serious. Kind of holding up there at the 105s.
Put another link in there, GR, if you want to try it.
It was dark humor.
Sorry about my camera setting here.
I wear a clown suit and dance. So did I tell you we couldn't go to Disney because my sister was ill and needed an operation? It was a sad funeral, but we had a lot of fun, great memories at Disney.
Maybe I don't get it back.
I don't get the dark humor, Trev. Okay, I'm glad you're making a joke, though. You had me worried for a minute. I thought you were joking.
Right, there we go.
I thought you were joking. I wasn't sure, but I thought you were joking. I was like, uh-oh. Might have stepped in one right there. I don't know, kind of close. All right, guys. We're 6 subscribers away. Now, we're not going to do the, we're not going to give the $50 away until we hit the 7K subs. But we can start the giveaway. Here's going to be the, little spike back up here. Here's going to be the kicker. I don't know if Husk is going to like this or not.
Oh, Husk doesn't like anything.
I don't know if Husk's going to like it.
Involves him doing anything.
We're going to do the giveaway on the Husk channel. So you guys are going to have to click the link that's pinned in the top of the chat and go to Husk channel to enter the giveaway, which means you got to be subscribed to Husk channel. And yeah, that means Husk has to start the giveaway.
Oh, that sucks.
So you know how to do that, Husk?
Yeah, it's been a minute.
Just go into Streamlabs and set one up for $50. So if you're not subbed to Husk channel, you're going to have to jump over there and hit subscribe. Again, I got his channel pinned at the top, the link. So, yeah, no, I get it, Trev. I get it. That's why I was like, what? I thought you were serious there for a moment. I was like, what in the world? Well, we'll start the giveaway in just a minute, but we're not going to do it until we get 6 more subs over here. So if you want to be in the giveaway, you'll have to jump over there and subscribe to Husk channel. He's very dark. I don't mind a little dark humor. All the way back up to my entry after being up about, what, 40 points or so? 37. 50 EMA here. I'm going to...
Trying to get it.
I might add one here. No, definitely not. So I was saying, I didn't like that failed breakdown recovery there. The 15-minute did close. It's still below. Let me check my other chart. We're working our way back above 5-minute trauma as well. It's at 120. So let's see. We got 4 minutes on this candle close. If we close back inside here, I'll probably kill this. If the 5-minute closes above trauma, then maybe I get out. We'll see.
So, in case we do start one, what is that under in Streamlabs?
Giveaways?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's under giveaways. Under the CloudBot giveaways.
All right, I'm on CloudBot. Let me see if I can see giveaways.
Oh, it's there.
There it is. Yeah, it's there. It's there.
All right, that's an okay reaction there off that trend line. What are the settings on my Williams alligator? What in the heck are we talking about, Williams alligator? What is a Williams gator? And a new guy. We need 5 more subs, guys. 5 more subs to get to 7,000. Williams alligator. That's the reaction we want to see. Almost added at the 50, but was a little spooked by that move up. Need to print 90s again, and we should come down to 50. I think so, Trev. I mean, we'll see how it goes here. I don't like this push back up, but you know how it is. The market works in waves there. We did kind of put in a little V shape down there at the bottom. I mean, that could have presented some points. I did say, once the 67 recovered on the ES, that was interesting. A little scary, but still could push up here. Really could. I mean, ES is back to 73, so. Trader Larry Williams as an indicator named after him, but no alligator. I don't know. Anybody else going to push the subscribe button so we can get this giveaway started? 5 more. So 5 more. I still think it moves down more, but I wouldn't be shocked if they manipulate it back up a little bit before it goes down. We'll see. Husk is over there diligently working on the giveaway.
How do you do permissions? What is that one under? Regular members, moderators, or streamers?
What? Should
Or
just
you
be
select
regular. I don't even think I have anything selected for permissions. Let me see. Dashboard. Let me go to mine and look.
Okay.
So CloudBot giveaways. Now, what are you looking at? Permissions?
Yeah.
Boom. Edit. Everyone. You want to have everyone selected. Or just check them all.
Okay. Yeah, everyone. All right. Good deal.
We need 4 more subscribers, guys. 4 more people to press the button, and then we'll go ahead and start the giveaway before that. But we're not going to do the giveaway until we get the 7,000 subs. And again, we're going to do the giveaway on Husk channel. So if you're not over there, the channel link is up in the top of the pinned in the chat there. And go over there, give a subscribe, and enter the giveaway. Let me know when you start at Husk.
The next thing you do is how do people enter? Like, I got name, permission.
Yeah, exclamation point cash.
Where do you put that under name?
It's default.
Oh, it is?
It should be the default thing. Yeah.
Okay. I wasn't sure. Are you ready for me to hit confirm?
Yeah, go ahead. You
What
unsub
time
and subbed again.
duration?
Does that work? We're going to do 15 minutes.
Okay. I'll do 15.
Takamura, that doesn't do much, man. But I appreciate the effort. I appreciate the effort. And then you got to start the giveaway. You know how to do that?
I hit start giveaway, but it says I already have one running.
Oh, you got to stop it. You got to stop the one running. Click view active giveaway and go end complete. David, we're working on it. See if we can get Husk to get it figured out there. I may have to run in there and help him with it right quick. We need 2 more subscribers. We're still in this short. We got the 9 minutes until the top of the hour. We'll see kind of what happens here.
Yeah, for some reason I don't know how to close this.
All right, hold on, guys. I'm gonna run in there and help Husk get that started right quick, so we're not waiting up.
Delaying.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Let me help. I closed it. There's the 2 I had on there from last time.
Yeah, view active giveaway. In
there, yeah. That's the part I didn't see.
Which one are you doing now?
Is this one?
If you already had one set up, you could have just did that.
Oh, I didn't know that one because I guess because it was still running, it wouldn't let me do
Yeah,
anything.
you can just do that one. Boom. Easy peasy. Where's your chat at?
Oh, it's over there. It's covered up.
Here?
It's probably, well, I don't know. Or I can bring it up.
There it is. All right. All right, the giveaway has started. It's officially started over there on the Husk channel. You got to use exclamation point raffle to enter the giveaway on Husk channel. You'll resubscribe, but it's not working. We need 2 more subscribers to get us there. I think we'll get it.
Oh.
So you're going to have to subscribe to Husk channel to enter the giveaway and go exclamation point raffle. Look at Husky's over there trying to enter his own giveaway.
Well, I was trying to make sure it worked because I didn't know where you see that raffle at.
Oh, it's working. In Streamlabs.
Oh, okay.
So jump over there on Husk channel. The link is pinned in the top of the chat. Subscribe to his channel and enter the giveaway.
Did you get your 7,000?
We're at 69.98, so we need 2 more.
Come on,
What's
guys.
up, Ryder
2 more.
Ryder? So, still holding this trade.
As long as Andy's not in here, there's a good chance to win it.
TCG Andy. I don't know if he's in here
Yeah,
still.
because Andy is usually the king of winning these things.
Yeah, he does. He wins the giveaways a lot.
I know. And he won on volatilities before, I think.
Yeah, he won a couple from me too. He won one on what's her name? Kellyanne. He won one on Kellyanne's. I think he said he took that one all the way to payout.
Man.
Jump over there, enter the giveaway. We're going to do it in about 10-15 minutes here. I think 15-minute timer on that. So we need 1 more sub for 7,000 subscribers. Can we do it?
Nice.
Oh, there it is. Magical number 7,000.
Ding, ding,
Let's
ding,
go.
Ding, 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 ding.
Didn't think we'd get there tonight, but hey, you guys made it happen. So
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
what's the link for the raffle? Tech T, it's right there above you. It's pinned in the chat also, but right there's the link to Husk channel and exclamation point raffle. LMD right there, the link right above your comment. Click on that, subscribe to Husk, and type in his chat exclamation point raffle. And we'll do the giveaway in a few minutes. You got about 10, 12 minutes, maybe more to enter the giveaway, something like that. 4 minutes, the new 30-minute 1-hour candle. Yeah, we're going to see what happens here. I mean, if it rips higher, it just rips higher. I got the feeling that it might based on how the ES looks.
Even though ES reclaimed 72?
It reclaimed 73, yeah. Even though we broke structure on the 5 and the 15, I don't like that the ES had a failed breakdown of that level, and now it's pushing back up. It's not my favorite. And the 5-minute did just close above the 5-minute trauma. Let me see where the 15 is. 15 is nowhere near, so... Yeah, it does, Takamura. Looks very similar, huh? Keep it real. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, jump over there to Husk Stream. Jump in that giveaway. Exclamation point raffle to enter. GC has been climbing with the Qs. Did it rip up? Oh, it did.
Right now, we only have 18 tickets, guys. 18 tickets.
Good thing I didn't jump in there on that. Would have stopped me out. Waffle. Waffle. Exclamation point waffle.
How many subscribers did you need tonight to get to 30 or 7,000?
32?
30 something?
I think 32.
Nice.
Maybe 35. I don't even know. Waffle does sound good, Takamura. What up, Nayef? It's exclamation point raffle over in Husk Stream is where we're doing the giveaway. There's the link. Click the link, subscribe to Husk, we'll do the giveaway.
Let's see. You guys got about 10 minutes left. 10 minutes.
2 minutes to the top of the hour. Probably going to tell us a lot here. The new 15-minute candle will open. And so if we close back inside here on the new 15-minute candle, basically we'll be pushing back, we'll be breaking back above that trend. Which would be a failed breakdown. I mean, we were up 37 points on the trade. I decided to go for the home run. So 5-minute trauma is just an indicator on Streamlabs. So, or not Streamlabs. What the hell am I talking about? Trading View. So this
why is
this red line here?
Why is people putting exclamation point waffles?
I don't know.
Because you were talking about waffles.
Exclamation point raffle. Raffle. R-A-F-F-L-E. Raffle. Raffle. But not in mine, in over there in Husk.
There we go.
Over there in Husk channel.
Yeah, you got people in here putting waffles because you were talking about waffles.
Wasn't me, man. It wasn't me. Someone else.
Ruffles.
Raffle to win $50. You must have Cash App, PayPal. I think those are the only two options, really. Cash App or PayPal.
All right, 8 minutes left. 8 minutes.
ES is breaking out here. I'm not loving the look of this anymore, but we'll see what the top of the hour brings in about 15 seconds here. So, I don't know, Trev. We'll see. I did pretty good. GC, I finished $135 green on 15 accounts. I was up on like 2 evals, $2,000. I hit a daily payout on Take Profit Trader of $400, and we were up on a couple other evals about $500. So we did pretty well. We did hit the daily loss limit on 2 My Fun and Future evals. So the 15-minute did not close back inside, but this is the top of the hour. Let's see if it takes us. I mean, it looks like we're breaking out to me, to be honest. I don't love the short anymore, but I'm still going to hold it and just see what happens. I mean, I was kind of long biased until we broke that 5-minute trend, and then I switched short. And now we're getting exactly what we typically look for on ES. You're getting a failed breakdown. So you have a manipulation leg here lower. A failed breakdown of this level. This should trigger your long here. If you don't take it here, you should take it here on the reclaim. Right? So looking pretty bullish there, but I'm still going to hold the short and just see what happens.
Yeah, that was a nice 135 hit.
The direction has changed a little bit, yeah. But it doesn't mean it can't reject here again, you know. We'll see.
Guys, if you did not receive a Streamlab receive one ticket, that means you didn't get one. So just make sure you put it in there correctly.
Yeah, Takamura. And I've already taken off the majority of this position, so we're just holding like a lotto runner here down to 20,017. So we got a 30-point stop risking $60. You can see we're up 250. So either way, we're going to end the night in the green, right? I'm going to post the link for Husk channel one more time here. If you want to enter the giveaway, click the link in the chat, go over to Husk channel, subscribe, and put in the chat !raffle. You got about 7 minutes, I think Husk said, to enter.
Yeah, 5 minutes, 6 minutes.
6 minutes to enter. You do have to be subscribed to Husk. If you're not subscribed, you know can win. You know can win.
I figure more people would hop in the giveaway.
It's free money, $50. Do you not like the free money? Are you not entertained? I mean, Husk and I, we have we've given out some winners tonight. We're giving out some winners. I mean, we banged out this 37-point winner for you guys.
The warden says if I win, you can just give me the $50 cash.
50 cash? All right. Una can win. You know can win. I like it.
I'll take it home to her. I promise.
You'll take it home to her? No, you won't.
Yeah.
She is disqualified from the raffle. What is she doing awake? She's supposed to be asleep.
It's only 8 o'clock.
I know. Normally she's in the bed by 8 o'clock.
All right, guys. We got about 4.5 minutes left.
Hey, Laura. I'm assuming Laura's listening. I'm going to tell a story that I've never told Laura before about Denny. It's not really about Denny, actually. So when you guys first started dating, I'm assuming that you're still friends with a girl named Johnny. Denny used to always tell me, like, you'd be hanging out with Johnny. He'd be like, oh. I'd be like, where's Laura? Oh, she's going with Johnny, whatever, to do something, to the movies, whatever the case may be. I had no idea Johnny was a woman. And I would just think to myself, man, Denny lets Laura hang out with this guy Johnny a lot. And then one day he was like, I asked him, he was like, no, Johnny's a girl. I was like, oh, I didn't know that. I thought she was hanging out with a dude named Johnny. You like belongs around this area? Yeah, it could be. Trader House, enter the giveaway. Here's the link. Jump over to Husk channel, subscribe, exclamation point raffle in the chat in Husk channel, and enter the giveaway. But yeah, I never knew Johnny was a girl. I mean, for 2 or 3 years, for a while, I never knew she was a girl. So I just thought, didn't he let you go chill with guys? I don't know.
Hanging out with the dude.
You would enter a waffle raffle if that's on the menu? Eh.
All right, guys, we have 29 tickets available. I know we had like 100 folks over there in the chat.
How many minutes we got until the giveaway?
3 minutes. Everybody's going to wait till the last minute.
Trader House, my bias was bullish until we broke structure on the 15-minute. I was in longs until we broke structures on the 5 and the 15. I'll show you here. So you can see we had this nice trend. Ooh, man, I actually drew this trend line wrong on the 15. I'm just now seeing that, Denny. Or Husk, whatever.
That's what she wants to think.
So, you can't handle hanging out with another dude? Oh. Johnny was a girl. I think he probably saw Johnny. He probably knew Johnny.
Oh, yeah, I knew Johnny before.
I had that trend line drawn wrong on the 15-minute. So we actually did break it at 135.
Dude, I didn't realize you were still in a trade.
Yeah, I'm still holding my lotto runner here.
No. Dude, I took my $100 and called it a day.
We got a lotto runner going.
Matt was her twin brother.
Oh, Matt was? I didn't know that.
Yeah, they were twins. Yeah.
I didn't know that. Did not know that.
All right, guys. Got a minute and a half before the timer runs out.
All right, I'm going to post the link one more time, guys. A minute and a half. Get into the giveaway. Click the link. Subscribe to Husk. Exclamation point raffle in the chat. RAFFLE.
We're going to pick winners live so you guys know it's legit here. We got the Streamlabs up on the thing here. So that you can't be like, it's rigged.
No, it's rigged. Especially if that Laura person wins. If the Laura person wins, it's rigged. Faux show. Faux show.
Less than 1 minute. Almost 40 seconds left. 30 seconds.
How did I have that trend line drawn so wrong? I mean, if that's the case, we broke structure on the 15 at 139. How did I have that?
It's totally rigged. That's why we're going to show it live on the stream there, yo.
All right, here we go, guys.
That way you can see us pick the winner, or it picks it random.
As soon as it ends there, go ahead and just hit pick winner.
All right.
And the winner is...
We still got 5 seconds left. 2 seconds.
The countdown.
1, 0. Yep.
The winner is...
It's closed.
Drum roll,
Pick
please.
Winner. Someone named Eric
Isaac has won the $50 giveaway. Eric Isaac, are you here? Make yourself known. Or Erie.
Erie Isaac.
We'll just call him Isaac.
Oh.
Isaac, you are the winner of the giveaway. You now have... we're going to start a timer. We're going to give you 1 minute to make yourself known. 1 minute. You the man. That's right. Oh, there is Isaac. All right, Isaac. No need for the timer. Isaac,
Nice.
Send me an email at methodicalman@gmail.com. And I need a screenshot of your YouTube channel like this, showing me that it is you. Click on your little icon, screenshot this, and along with that, send me your PayPal email or your Cash App, whichever you so desire to be paid by, and we'll get the $50 over to you. So if you can go ahead and send the email now, that would be most helpful so that we can verify you right now.
Thank you guys for helping Methodical Man get to his 7,000.
Yeah, we hit 7,006. Nice. Oh, Husk got to 741. Let's go.
Nice. Thank you guys.
Is he Johnny's twin brother? He might be.
No.
That could be Johnny's twin brother. Maybe he had to get his account loaded up. Oh, no. Your sexy account was no 7,000? Uh-oh. Erik Isaac. Thank you. Ananuki? Ananuki? Ananaki?
You put your email in the chat a while ago, right?
Yeah, it's in the chat right there, right above you, Ari. Methodicalman@gmail.com. Look about four things above you there, 4 lines above you.
I'll paste it again.
So Isaac, you can either have $50 cash or Husk and fart in a jar and send it to you.
What kind of random stuff is that, man? That is so random.
Oh my God.
Oh goodness.
Which do you choose? I'm assuming you choose the cash. Laura's had the fart in the jar, and she says, she'd pass. Laura said, y'all been drinking. No drinking.
Alan Methodical Man don't drink.
No, I don't drink. I can tell you the last 4 beers I had. $50 cash or a waffle. Egg and bean waffles in a jar. You can pick his meals that day if you want to, if you're so inclined.
It's the Georgia air.
You can pick the meals that you wanna go with. That's a thing. Have you guys seen like people paying Instagram models and people on OnlyFans to do that kind of stuff? That's crazy. Fart in a jar and send it to me. After jarring, is it still flammable? It might be.
That's a good one, yo. I like that one. Is the jar still flammable?
Or people wanting, or he can send you some of his bath water. He could take a jar of his bath water and send it to you. That's also an option.
Oh, so that's pretty crazy. Some dirty bath water. All thing is that, I don't remember the last time I took a bath.
Uh-oh. He's a dirty boy.
No, I mean I'm talking about like bathtub bath. I'm not talking about like a shower.
He's a dirty boy.
Dirty, dirty, dirty.
Oh, this thing's pumping now. I'm probably going to kill it if it pops to 130. Save a few bucks.
Yeah, we kept our 3-digit winner of $100 tonight. We figure $100 in the Asia market's not bad.
Oh, Sydney's watching? Nice. Hey, Sydney. Hello. Now you know where he gets it from, Sydney, sometimes, Yeah, I think so, Outer. It does seem that way, like it's reversing. I mean, I said, it looks like it is. I don't love the look of this now, but...
Yeah, especially if that 72 has hold on the ES.
Yeah, we recovered it clean.
Oh, yeah.
Let me check and see if I got an email yet from Isaac.
Wow, we even found support on that 72.
No email yet.
Oh, nice, dude. 180 off that push. Yeah, if I was paying attention to the charts, if we reclaimed that 72, we would have liked to participate with that.
$500. Let's go, David. Nice job. Did you send the email yet there, Isaac?
Oh, nice. I like EMA entries, David. Those are like some of my favorite. These are, oh, he's waiting for the email from Isaac.
Yeah. Seeing if we got the email yet. Oh, 1 second. All right. I just want to verify you while we're here if we can.
Laura said you should do a mama giveaway of $1,000.
Yeah, just
Everybody will be a mama today. I'm a mama.
just send me your account number, Laura, and we can use your account to do it. It'll be fine. Takamura, we hit the VWAP and dump. We'll see. Going good. I hate weeks. We're up $200 ish on this one account, and this other account here we are up $512.
What about the account that you were in the red? Did you get that back from that short?
Yeah, that was this one. Yep, small
Okay.
red. We're in small red. I actually I got that back earlier.
Oh, okay.
I got it back earlier with a what did I take? It was a trade before that. Oh, the too many
No.
long. You know, Laura, he's in my lap.
I told my methodical man if I have to sit in his lap, he's going to have to get me a seatbelt because I might fall off his lap.
Gotta belt him in there. All right, I think I'm probably going to kill this trade and just lock in my profits here. Maybe. Now, Husk is in the room next door.
I brought a 50-foot Cat 6 wire from home so I can be hardwired in.
Hardwired from my room to that room. There you go.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
Because I think there's something wrong with my Wi-Fi adapter because my Wi-Fi is not working right.
All right, I'm going to kill it here. Lock in the $218 a day. I just feel like that we're in a reversal pattern. I mean, this is as V-shaped as it gets, right? I mean, that's pretty well V-shaped, you know?
Oh, excuse me. Cold chills.
So, looks like the market's going to go. We were long biased earlier, and that's why we took that long. You see these longs here. Long there, and then we held it all the way down here. 30, 40 points in drawdown. We DCA'd, got out with some profit, then switched to the short side. So, gold's bleeding. Email sent.
Yeah, Isaac said he sent the email.
Let me see. Yeah, I validated that he was next door. He's not here. All right, let me see here. Cash app. Isaac, what is the last two numbers in your... Hold on, let me see. To verify you. What is the last three numbers in your email? The last three numbers in your email. Or the three numbers that are in your email. Yeah, I got to get that good Wi-Fi. I hate weeks, or the good signal. So Husk, when Isaac sends or tells us the three numbers, you'll just verify that it's actually Isaac in Streamlabs typing. Or that responded.
Okay.
If you look at Streamlabs, you should be able to see where Isaac puts it in there. And that verifies it's the right person. Pine Tree said 718. You're wrong, Pine Tree. You lose. You're no longer getting it, Pine Tree. You're not the winner.
See.
Yeah, you're just making sure. You should see it in chat in where you selected the winner.
Yeah, it's in there.
All right, so we got you verified, Isaac. So I'm going to go ahead and send that over to you via Cash App. Got your Cash App here. We'll do that in just a few minutes. And that's going to be it for us, guys. If you haven't already hit the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And
Thank you, guys.
I'm going to
It
go
was
ahead and
fun
end the
tonight.
stream here. We'll be back live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. We appreciate you guys watching.
I won't be back tomorrow.
Well, I will.
I have a. Yep.
But we'll see you guys next time.
We will be back Monday morning. Thank you, guys.
See ya.